Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z are the latest offering from OnePlus, which is available for just Rs 1999. The earphones are the neckband style and looks very similar to the previous Bullet Wireless 2. And today, we will be doing the unboxing and find out more about these newly launched earphones. So here is the box of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. In the front of the box we have the picture and features such as 10 hours of playback time in 10 minutes charge, and they come with the battery backup of 20 hours. At the back of the box we have some more features such as warp charge support, long lasting battery life, magnetic control, they are waterproof which is really good. And then these earphones also support quick switch and comes with the low latency mode. And here you can see the MRP which is 2190 rupees. Now let's open the box and see the content. The first thing I must say that the packaging of this product is really good. It feels really premium and I can't believe that I'm unboxing a product which is priced at Rs 2000. So first on the top we have the earphones itself. We will look at them in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. Now again we have this beautiful red box which has the tagline Never Settle. And here we have one more box which has the user guide and some accessories. So here is the user guide and other documentation. You also get this card asking you to join Red Cable Club. Talking about the accessories, we have the USB Type-C charging cable and 2 pairs of extra ear tips. So you do not get the pouch with this, which we got with the Bullets 2. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z are the most affordable wireless earphones from the company. And looking at the design, it looks very similar to the Bullets 2. Everything is same when it comes to the design except the earbuds. The earbuds are also magnetic, but the material here is different. You get the metal earbuds in the Bullets 2, and here we have the plastic casing on the earbuds. Now with this, there is also an advantage, which is that the Bullets Wireless Z are 5 grams lighter than the Bullets 2 and weighs approximately 28 grams. In terms of overview, as mentioned earlier, you have the magnetic earbuds and here we have the controller for the earphone, and in this you get the volume up and down along with the main mode button. And on this side of the controller we have the mic. And then on the neckband we have the switch mode button, and I will explain the working of this button later in this video. And then here we have the Type-C charging port. So in terms of design and build quality, I'm really happy with the design as they are similar to the Bullets 2 earphones, which are my main earphones from last few months. And like them, the Bullets Wireless Z is also very comfortable. Now let's pair them with our phone. So I'm using here the OnePlus 7 Pro, and in this, as soon as you detach the earbuds, you get the prompt on your phone like this, asking you to pair the earphones with your smartphone. And in just one tap, it's paired with our phone. And here you can see the battery, and when you tap on the settings, you can see it supports the HD audio, and unlike the Bullets 2, they do not have the aptX support. Now before we talk about the sound quality and performance, let me show you the quick switch feature. So this feature is first of all is not new, and it's also available in the Bullets 2. Now in this, if you have connected these earphones with 2 devices, you can switch between them easily. This earphone do not support multi-pairing, but with the quick switch option, you can switch between devices very easily. And with the double tap on this button, you can see it has connected from one device to another very quickly. Now let's talk about the sound quality. As mentioned earlier, that the in-ear design of these earbuds is really good, and I find them really comfortable to use. I have used these earphones for few hours and I didn't feel any discomfort. In terms of sound, they are loud, at least much louder than the Bullets 2. Even though they are loud, but you will not get any distortion using these earphones. The instrument separation is also good and the clarity is amazing on this earphone. But again, the only issue I can see here is the bass. It's not as bassy as the Bullets 2, which I think is the main preference of most of the earphones users here in India. But to be honest, in this price range, I find the quality and the overall package very good. The sound quality is really good and this earphone also looks premium. In terms of controls, you can pause and play soundtrack with the middle button, double press to go to the next soundtrack, and triple press to go back to the previous soundtrack. And if you press and hold the middle button for 3 seconds, you can use Google Assistant or Siri. Now talking more about the performance, as OnePlus mentioned low latency mode, I have tested the earphones with music, movies, which includes Netflix and YouTube. And there, I didn't notice any latency issues, and there is no lag in the audio and video. In terms of gaming, as I'm using the OnePlus smartphone, I was surprised that the latency of this earphone and the Bullets 2 while playing PUBG is very similar. And that too, where the Bullets Wireless Z don't have the aptX support. I have also tested these earphones with the regular Android smartphone, and there also the latency is very low, which is really good. So if you're planning to buy them for gaming, this earphone will not disappoint you. So overall, OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z is a perfect package. The design and the build quality is good, and I found the sound quality pretty decent. I have also taken some calls with it, and the clarity is really good. The other person on the call didn't even notice that I'm using an earphone. The battery backup is really good, and you will get 20 hours of playback time in one single charge. And yes, this supports the Warp Charge, so if you have a OnePlus phone, you can charge them very quickly. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a neckband style wireless earphone for casual music, movies and playing games, then definitely check out the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z earphone. And guys, as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z earphone. Let us know if you like them, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this earphone in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.